G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. This is not only an incredibly easy recipe to make, it's also reasonably healthy in moderation as well, and I know that you'll love it. So join me today as I make my version of honey garlic baked cauliflower. Now we're going to start with our cauliflower. Now I've cut up our cauliflower into manageable florets. You can make them as big or as small as you like, it's really up to you. So next I've got a couple of eggs that I've just whisked up, and I've got a bowl of breadcrumbs. So just dip our cauliflower into our egg mixture. Drain off any excess, and then dip it into our breadcrumbs. And just put it onto a lined baking tray. It is that simple. Okay, so once we've prepared our cauliflower florets, they're ready for the oven. Okay, so we're going to place them into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Now while the cauliflower is in the oven, we're going to prepare our sauce. So firstly, I've got 2 tablespoons of corn flour, also referred to as cornstarch. Then to that I'm just going to pour in 6 tablespoons of water. So 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to 6 tablespoons of water. And just give it a good mix to combine and dissolve all that cornstarch in the water. So when we add this to the sauce, it's just going to help thicken up our lovely sauce that we're going to prepare. Okay, now for the sauce, I have a fry pan over the stove on a medium to high heat. So to that I'm going to add in 6 tablespoons or half a cup of honey, then about 4 tablespoons of minced up garlic, a teaspoon of onion powder, and about 1.5 tablespoons of soya sauce. And we're just going to whisk this up until it comes up to a slight simmer. Should only take about a minute or two. Okay, so as you can see, it's starting to come up to a simmer. So now we're going to add in our cornstarch mixture. Okay, so as our mixture is warming up, just give it a stir, just occasionally like so. This will help prevent the cornstarch from clumping up in the sauce. And it's already starting to thicken up nicely. As you can see, when you pull it apart, see how nice and thick that is, where it's just leaving that trail behind? That's pretty much done already. Literally took just about 3 minutes from start to finish. Okay, so once we're at this stage where it's all nice and thick, just simply take it off the heat and we're going to let it cool down just a little bit while our cauliflower is cooking in the oven. Okay, so once out of the oven, all we have to do now is just drizzle on our deliciously sweet sauce. And there we have our delicious honey garlic baked cauliflower. Certainly is incredibly simple. This is a fantastic dinner or as a side for any other particular dinner that you may be having. It really is a versatile recipe. So with that baked cauliflower, added with that delicious sauce, and this sauce really brings out all the flavors. You have that mixture of the sweet, savory, and salty, which honestly is a perfect combination. So it ticks all the different flavors and senses. So it's not only incredibly simple, it's incredibly delicious. But whether you have it as a side or as a main meal itself, either way it's going to taste simply delish.